Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemonade at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of water. Also, grab a sturdy pitcher, a reliable lemon juicer, and a medium-sized saucepan. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll create a simple syrup, which is key for perfectly dissolved sugar. In your saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once clear, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This step prevents grainy lemonade. Now it's time for the star ingredient, fresh lemon juice. Thoroughly wash your lemons, then cut them in half. Using your lemon juicer, extract all the juice from each lemon half. You'll want to collect about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice for the perfect balance. Be sure to strain out any seeds or large pulp pieces for a smooth drink. Finally, let's bring it all together. In your pitcher, combine the 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, the cooled simple syrup, and 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly until it's well combined. Taste and adjust sweetness if desired. Pour your homemade lemonade over ice, perhaps adding a fresh lemon slice for garnish. Enjoy your refreshing, perfectly balanced drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.